Google Fit Honest Review. Watch before using. Google Fit is a health and fitness tracking app developed by Google, designed for people who want a simple and efficient way to monitor their daily activities, workouts, and overall health. It syncs effortlessly with Android devices, smartwatches, and other fitness apps, offering a seamless experience for tracking steps, heart rate, calories burned, and active minutes. One of the standout features is its simplicity. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy for beginners and fitness enthusiasts alike to navigate and set personal goals. Google Fit uses heart points and move minutes as its core metrics, encouraging users to engage in moderate to vigorous activities to improve cardiovascular health. This makes it a good option for those who aren't necessarily fitness pros, but are looking for simple ways to stay active. Who is this app for? If you're someone who prefers a minimalistic approach to tracking fitness, Google Fit is a solid choice. It's not as feature-packed as other fitness apps like Strava or Fitbit, but that's intentional. It focuses on basic activity tracking and health monitoring without overwhelming you with too much data. The app integrates with third-party apps like MyFitnessPal, Nike Run Club, and Strava, which is a plus if you already use these tools. However, for people looking for in-depth fitness analysis, such as advanced workout metrics or social competition, Google Fit might feel lacking. The best part? It's completely free and offers a solid starting point for people just beginning their fitness journey or those who prefer a low-maintenance way to track their health. But if you need more robust tracking features like advanced metrics, social features, or personalized workout programs, you might want to consider other options. In conclusion, Google Fit is great for basic tracking, easy integration, and simplicity. However, it may not satisfy users looking for more in-depth fitness data or motivation from a community.